Although Mini RC as a class isn't new, it's on a huge upswing nowadays, and for good reason. Mini RC tends to be less expensive than larger vehicles, and it's a lot easier to drive them and make a cool impromptu track in your garage or workshop or even in the office. What's even better is when a Mini RC comes completely ready to run, including all the batteries you need for the car, the transmitter and charger, so you can basically just pick one up, charge up a battery, and you're ready to go. Presenting the RC24 Zoom 4x4 Rally. The RC24 Zoom 4x4 Rally is a ready-to-run four-wheel drive 24th scale RC car. It includes a durable Lexan body that's pre-painted and decaled, a 2-in-1 micro ESC and receiver system, 2.4 GHz transmitter with batteries included, 1S LiPo battery pack and USB LiPo charger included, a separate micro steering servo, hobby grade replaceable parts throughout, independent suspension, ball bearings, durable gear differentials, high traction all-terrain tires, durable molded chassis, steel hinge pins all around. So whether you're new to RC or you're an experienced veteran and you just want to get your hands on something cool, the RC24 Zoom 4x4 Rally is just the ticket. And remember, it's completely ready to run right out of the box, including all the batteries and charger that you need to get going. And you can pick it up along with all the upgrade and replacement parts at rc10.com or through popular retailers.